Green roof, did an ATR, pulled a shingle sample for RLS since it's a State Farm claim, and gonna see if the shingle is discontinued and what shingle State Farm believes will provide the most reasonable appearance, kind, like, and quality. All right, Georgia is not a matching state, so you'll hear that a lot if you become a public adjuster or a contractor. Georgia is not a matching state. State Farm specifically, they have a clause that pertains to reasonable appearance. So if the shingle that they say is kind, like, and quality does not provide a reasonable appearance from the ground level, then you may be able to be compensated for a total roof replacement. Oh yeah, nice and easy peasy, lemon squeeze. This roof looks completely shot. Decking looks kind of rotted as well. Gotta be careful in where I step over here, because this roof does look a tad bit dangerous. Man, guys, it is hot. Well, let's see what kind of damage we got over here. Obviously some missing tabs right over there. Oh man, this roof is not repairable in the slightest. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, completely missing tabs everywhere. No bueno. This garage looks like it's a tad bit older than that roof on the dwelling. Has to be, just based on the condition. That should be plenty. There's no way. I'll take a quick video for the adjuster, but I mean, any adjuster worth their salt is gonna know this roof is not repairable for this detached structure. It's completely impossible. If we can find at least one. Oh, there we go. Bang, bang. Oh, there we go, some more. Wind damage over her. Wind damage over there. I don't know why this detached structure has not already been approved. That's why I want to just take my time and try to find everything I can to give the desk adjuster enough evidence to make a proper coverage determination. We'll do a quick little video for the handling adjuster. Hi, handling adjuster, Mike, Delta Public Adjusting, here still at Mr. property. Right now I'm on the detached garage. The dwelling's over there. This is the detached garage. What I want to show you is that there's clear wind damage all over this roofing structure for the detached garage. Missing tabs, absolutely creased and damaged shingles. Please take note of the condition of the shingles. I mean, these shingles are nothing but asphalt and fiberglass at this point. It is completely flimsy. There's no way this is repairable whatsoever. There's, I would say, 90%, 95% granule loss. These shingles are in no way in a repairable state. If you could take a look at here, I mean, it's absolutely paper thin, absolutely paper thin. So here, I'll take this as an example. This is a missing tab already, a tab that fell off. Literally just bending it ever so slightly already. I mean, that was too easy to tear. So again, please strongly consider total roof replacement of this garage roofing structure, since there's so much wind damage here and the shingles are not repairable. Thank you. Again, with something like this, fiberglass glistening all over the place, don't even do an ATR. It's not even worth it. Quick little video just showing the roof being super brittle should suffice. Let's get down from here and have our big gulp of water. All right, well, that was fun. Lock it up and lock it up. I wonder if my GoPro's even going. It keeps overheating on me. It's gonna be a hot one today, boys. Yeah, guys, these gloves are shot. They did pretty good. Not gonna lie, did pretty good for some Harbor Freight gloves. Can't complain. But they are shot. Gulp of water time.